Masimirembo has sparked controversy after claiming that Harare province is planning to have President Mnangagwa remain in office until 2037. Sapina Mashkobran Yukwachin's CAB4 kicks off. Harare province wants President Mnangagwa to rule until 2037, says Masimirembo. Notable subscribe or like out on the bell. Akutimba pangwa inoi chiri kuchushamisa veruzhinji yakambotanga iri 2030 vanhu vachiresista vachiti kuzona 2030 yosvika tinenge taresista President Masona Mnangagwa nevision yavo, but panguva inei they are saying kuti zvikananda hazvisi kumira vari kuendera mberi. Right now they've got another vision ya 2037. Tipinda muna mubani pamuchinzi his statement has triggered the debate with the citizens sharing different opinions on the matter. Masimirembo is the chairperson of Harare province. Some say Masimirembo's remarks could turn citizens against the president. Others argue that it could damage the image of the Second Republic. On the other hand, some believe Masimirembo is singing for his supper and playing a desperate game to get attention, especially with the social media calling for the dismissal. In my opinion, Masimirembo went too far. Sooner or later, he may regret his words, even if such a plan exists. I don't think now is the right time to say it publicly. Remember, public opinion about the president matters. If you cause people to view the president negatively, you are simply tarnishing his name. Domba developments are kuda panguva ine panao yaMasimirembo. Panguva ine achideclare kuti mutungamiri wenyika 2037 takaenda ngaaramba aripo achitungamirira nyika yeZimbabwe. Modzi mafunguro enyu muri Zimbabwe munoti kudii? Izvi mazvitorawo sei? Enda comment section medu dzemafunguro enyu. Musana subscribe, like pamwe chete nokutena on the bell icon.